All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SE model, this beautiful gray with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, only 24,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger rim, your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Your tire 30 is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread over 7/32. That's just some stuff there. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a cloth seating, no power. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player. Honest and all that good stuff. You get your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls plus the rear stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. No lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 24,451. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Let me show you backup camera. Let's check that out. Boom, backup camera, very nice. All right, keep it moving. Turn on the lights. Now this vehicle, just the SE model, does not come with any with the accoutrement, the power doors and stuff like that. This is what one of your seats looks like. Very nice. Just some little feather there. No holes, no tears, no rips for your passenger seat. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and rear AC controls. Very nice. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty decent. Your deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold forward, as it says, stow and go. All right. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. And I see curbing. Tire thread is at 10/32. This sliding door looks pretty damn good. Here's your front, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Like I was in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Back there. This front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. I did drop your owner's manuals here. Normally I try to tuck them away. Boom. Now you see where they are. So when you buy this car, you know where your books are. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. Mileage over 7/32. Got a little chippy here in the front fender. Lights are working. Pretty rare to see an SE model with the fog lights, but this one has it, folks. Once again, 2018 Grand Caravan SE model with the 24,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.